This feels oddly comforting. Pardon. Maybe strawberry and grape doesn't go well together. This is my favorite toner only because it smells really good. I hate when my towel slides off my head. You know, I realized that if I never started posting videos on TikTok, that my skin would never have looked this nice in my life. I don't think that I could ever wear a different moisturizer ever again after finding Vanny Cream, because it just is like magic. It doesn't clog my pores, and I am somebody that gets extremely clogged pores. I think that the internet has seen a close-up of my face more than my own family has. I'm gonna use the Power Grip primer along with the putty primer. See if it does anything. But I don't remember if I'm supposed to do it Power Grip first or the putty primer. So we're just gonna see. My forehead is sweaty, and I'm just spreading it everywhere. Let this marinate for like 15, maybe 20 minutes. See how my makeup lasts all day. So my skincare has been sitting for a while now. I am going to use this full coverage concealer. Where is it from? I think it's Kat Von D. I just ate and I don't know why my tummy's growling. Lightweight. And I'm just going to carve out my brows. I found this brush on Amazon. Angled flat foundation brush. Eggshell? I don't know how to say that. I'm gonna try to list all of my products. My link tree would be the link in my bio. Link tree, you click on that link. I'm gonna try to list some of the products that have been commented, because I get a lot of the same questions. And for like the lashes that I use, like some of them I don't remember the name, but if I do find them, I will link them. My bio, link tree, yeah. Use this brush. This yet. I think I'm going to have to use a little more product. I'm just gonna add a little more product, but I'm going to put it on the back of my hand first. Try to go with a very light hand. And then clean it up a little more. These are my natural brows. I'm just going to put some concealer here. I feel like that's all that I need. Okay, so I'm just going to apply this. The only reason why I don't really like to apply contour before my concealer is because I have deep pores, like holes in my nose, and it looks like I have like freckles or holes. It just makes it like way more prominent. So I'm just going to kind of blur out these lines a little. Ooh. I actually am really liking this brush because I can get into like little crevices of my face. Oh my god, okay. I think all I needed was to carve out my natural brows. So kind of clean this brush off with a face pad here. Sometimes I use micellar water. I really don't like cleaning my brushes all at once. Treat my brushes like they're dishes. If I use a dish, or in this case a brush, then I just clean it right then and there so that I don't have to think about cleaning them later. Use this brush to blend in or press in that makeup a little more. Make it a little more natural. Not gonna use a beauty blender. I don't feel like it's necessary. This is a very high coverage concealer. I really didn't have to use that much to get just coverage. Okay. Concealer that I just used is like it's not very dry, but it's not very slippery. What is it? It's not super dry, but it's not the most hydrating. I know my face looks super white. We will fix that. Why do I always do that shit? I'm just gonna use a cream contour. I'm gonna use this brush, kind of light on the back of my hand. Pats the excess. I'm just going to put it right here. I guess you can call this my no makeup look. Patting up the side of my face a little down here. Some contour right on what is supposed to be the hollows of my eyes. Bring that down. Just keep blending, okay? Just keep blending. If it doesn't seem right, just keep blending. It might turn out right. I have some dry skin right here, but nobody ain't gonna look. Okay. I'll use a very pink blush. I'll pat it on the back of my hand for a more natural application. I'm going to apply these very natural lashes. They are from Marshalls. I think these are just a little bit longer than my natural lashes. I'm going to use the Maybelline New York Color Sensational Matte Lipstick or Coffee. This Dollar Tree lip gloss from LA Colors. It smells like bubble gum. Can't forget highlighter. Can you believe it? I'm not using any powder today. The blush was a powder, but that's it. And the highlighter is a little powder. I didn't put no mascara on under my eyes because I don't want panda eyes later on today. So